Good morning, my dear student. Today is Saturday, and this is the last class of this week. So, student, today you are going to join your SST class. Mrs. Namita will teach you. I am your SST teacher, as you knowing, and you are also knowing that you are reading chapter 9, that is our home. You all know why our houses and home are important for us, and every people have a dream that they have a beautiful houses, because everyone want that they have houses, because food, house and clothes, these are essential things in our life. Today in previous class you studied about different type of houses. In first day you studied about bungalow and about flat, and in second day you studied about different type of huts and small houses which are made of mud and bamboo and straw. But today I will teach you about houses of different states. So first at all, I will show you the stilt house. See the stilt house. This type of houses are found in Meghalaya and Assam, in floody areas states. This type of houses, what are you seeing on the first floor? On the first floor they have kept their pet animals on the first floor, and on second floor they lives there, but at night they pull the stairs to prevent them from wild animals and thieves. So this is a beautiful stilt house. Come to next topic. This is a sloping house. This type of sloping house we always found in hilly areas where snowfall are seen in month of March to January. In this type of houses, snow always slide easily. So people made this type of roofs, and the houses are made of stones, bricks, and roofs are made of wood, and they are covered with tin, and on tin it can move easily. Snow can come out easily when the sun shines in the morning, and slowly when snow melts they come down easily from the sloping roof. Now please see another sloping roof. How beautiful scene is there. Wow, very nice. All the pine trees are covered with beautiful snows. See the hilly areas. You can see on the hilly areas how the houses are made. It is looking like stars. They are made in one stairs, one step, two step, three step, like this. So just now we studied about the hilly areas house. They are called sloping roof. Now come to next. See the stilt original scene of stilt house. The stilt house is made in the water. It is also looking so beautiful. See the another picture of stilt house. In floody area, people are safe. Then one question can arise in your mind, that how people reach there. They reach there with the help of boat, and they stop their boat near the stairs, and they climb with the help of stairs on their stilt house, and they live safely in this type of floody areas. This is also a stilt house made of bamboos. This is houseboat. This type of houseboat you can found in Kerala or Kashmir, because this type of house always run in on the lake. This is also a very beautiful house. In this houseboat people stay. They have their all the comfortable facilities in this house, and they live there very comfortably, and they live their life very easily. but these are always used by tourists. In Kerala, when the tourists go there, they like to stay in this type of houseboat. See the another houseboat. This is also example of Kerala houseboat because all the finishings are done by the bamboos. See the Kerala houseboat. How beautiful it is looking. Now come to the chapter. See the page number 60. Mountains generally receive heavy rain and snowfall. The houses in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are made with sloping roof so that the rainwater snow can slide down easily. Just now I explained the sloping roof, so you can understand it very well. Underline the hard words: mountain, generally, sloping roofs. See, do you know? In hilly areas, most houses have fireplace to burn logs. It keep the houses warm. Yes, this is very important point because in each and every houses they have a chimneys. In chimneys they put logs and small woods and they burn it and slowly it warm the houses. Next come to stilt house are made in those areas where floods are very common, that is Meghalaya and Assam. Underline the word Meghalaya and Assam. The water drains away easily through the stilt without damaging the house. This is the very good point of this type of house. Read, do you know? A stilt house has a ladder to climb up. It is removed and kept inside the house at night for safety from thieves and wild animals. Come to next. Next is Kashmir and Kerala. Many people live in houseboat which can move from one place to another on the lake. But just now I explained this type of house is always used by tourists. So tourists always like to stay in this type of houses. Now see the homework. What is your homework? Your homework is learn the hard words, read the page and learn do you know. Students, 2 or 3 days I will take 1 day more to finish your chapter. After finishing the chapter, then I will do the fill in the blanks, question and answer, and complete the sentences true and false like this. So I'm sure that you are taking interest in your chapter and you are liking it the chapter very well, and please learn the hard words, read the page and learn do you know. Again I will meet you in next class on next Wednesday. So thanking you student, so please be punctual and join me at 11 a.m. So goodbye.